Track number 4 on the album is Lesedi. I'm smiling because it's a time that has passed, but I wrote it during the very first lockdown that happened in South Africa. Remember the time when we had lockdown? Yeah, I had just moved to Joburg, to start my career, my music career, to advance it. And that's when there was an announcement that everything gets shut down. So the song says, it was encouragement to myself to say, even if times look bleak, even if your industry literally just got cancelled, there's still light at the end of the tunnel. You can still carry on and do the work that you do. And it's also, again, something for people who are going through a hard time to recognize that it's okay. It's okay to have times where you're not doing as well as you would like to do. But always remember that Lesedi.